It's often said that good things come to those who wait, but in my culture, we wait over an hour for this specific magic. This isn't just an ingredient, it is centuries-old ritual that melts the toughest nuts and heals the body. Today, I'm taking you into my heritage to show you why we've spent generations kneading this precious bark by hand. Hello Afro Queens, welcome to another episode of Afro Hair by Adele. On this channel, we reveal the hidden beauty of the African woman through sharing natural hairstyles, haircare tips, and DIYs rooted in African traditions. I've spent my life watching women in my family turn this simple bark into something extraordinary. In Cameroon, we don't just make do, we honor a 1 hour ritual passed down through generations. In today's episode, I'm inviting you into my heritage to witness how we extract this magic ingredient. It's a process of patience, a journey of the hands, and a secret to the most extreme sleep nature has ever designed. Let's begin the purification. As we begin this traditional extraction, it's important to note that the duration of extraction largely depends on the amount and the thickness of the mucilage you want to produce. It takes averagely 1 to 2 hours for a complete extraction process using fresh Nkui bark. In my heritage, we start with respect for the plant. These fresh stems are harvested carefully. We wash away the dirt from the farm, ensuring only the purest bark goes into our pots. This is the first step of the ritual. There is a technique to this. You want to capture the inner layers where the magic lives. If you peel too deep or too shallow, you miss the heart of the mucilage. My grandmother taught me that the bark should feel alive in your hands. Also, this peeling process can be easy or difficult depending on how hydrated the plant is. So it's best to harvest in the early morning where the sap is flowing freely. It also depends on the age of the stem, as younger green shoots slide right off while older woody bases have natural glue-like tendency that makes the bark to stick to the stem. For about 20 minutes, we boil the bark in water to gently wake up the polysaccharides. Then we let it cool for a few minutes, allowing the fibers to soften and begin releasing that legendary sleep. Now the real work begins, the kneading. This isn't just a physical effort, it's a meditation. As the liquid thickens, you can feel the energy of the plant changing. This is why our ancestors were so strong. They put their heart into every squeeze. After an hour or more, the transformation is complete. We separate the spirit of the plant from the fiber. Look at that stretch. That is the 100% authentic heritage slip. This level of sleep is a luxury for us in Cameroon. But I know that in our busy modern lives, not everyone has an hour or more to spend at the bowl. That is why I took this exact heritage, the same bag, and captured it in my AfroMeg premium sachet. I've mastered a way to give you a similar result in just 35 minutes. I'm currently preparing logistics to get AfroMeg Premium from my home country to yours. So if you are in the diaspora and ready to experience this magic ingredient for your hair or your kitchen without the 1 hour wait, click the link in the description box below and join the VIP waitlist so I can prioritize your country first. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the 35-minute breakthrough in my upcoming videos. Stay slippery and stay beautiful.